Welcome back. Now we are going to pronounce the fourth variants of Giz alphabet. The fourth variant of Giz alphabet has such form: first variant plus vowel A, or altering vowel A on the first variant. It gives us the fourth variants. Hope you have mastered the first variants. And now let's see one example. La plus A, we get the voice la. This la is the fourth variant. This modification also work on the writing system of Giz alphabets. Now this la is written like the vowel A, like the shape of vowel A, or modifying the first variants by altering with this vowel A. This both on the vocalization and again in the writing system of Giz alphabet. Now let's go to pronounce all 26 fourth variants of Giz alphabet. Ha, la, ha, ma, sa, ra, sa, ka, ba, ta, ha, na, a, ka, wa, a, za, ya, da, ga, ta, pa, ca, fa, pa,